This is a video by Richpin. I got a new tool for you guys today. It is the EPAuto Spill-Proof Funnel Kit. This is it right here. Now what you would use this for is, let's say you replaced your radiator, your thermostat, a hose, something like that. And now you want to put the coolant in, but it has air in the system. This will help to remove the air that's trapped in the system. Now if you have a pressure tank system, most of those will burp the air out by themselves. But if you got a system that has the recovery tank, let's see, for example, I've seen a lot of Toyotas just have a recovery tank system. So this right here would fit right on the radiator. You would take the cap off, and you got all kinds of adapters here, and by the way, this is the only instructions you'll get is what's on the bottom here. Now what's nice about this one right here is everything is color coded. The blue goes with the adapter goes with the piece that holds it onto the radiator. And when I first saw it, I'm there, oh jeez, I'm there, this is going to be plastic, right? No, this is metal. This would go gasket side onto the radiator. This would go down and boop, just like that. Let's say now the vehicle I'm going to be using it on, I think we'll have to have a little elbow like this. So that would fit in there like so, and because you want to get your funnel level, of course, like that. So we got all these adapters, extensions. This one's plastic. Very good, huh? Alright, well once you're all done and the air is all out and you still got some coolant in it and you want to take it off, you're going to spill that, right? No, you're not. You got this piece right here, a little stopper. So with the coolant in there, you'll push the stopper in there like that, and then now you can take it off and maybe just lose just a little bit of coolant. But that's it. So I got a job to do, and I'm going to show you how it works out. Alright, let's get to it. It's very important to go by the directions on the funnel as far as the fill height. It should be filled to 1/3 of the funnel, because as you heat up and the thermostat opens, it's going to expand, and you don't want it to come over the top. So make sure you read the directions and only go 1/3 full on the funnel. We're working on this Chevy pickup truck 350 engine. It's had the thermostat just replaced, so the engine is cold. So next thing we got to do is make sure that we remove our radiator cap, and now we can take our funnel kit. Now we have to find the right adapter. What about the blue one? The blue one is too small. What about the red one? And the red one is just right. So now we need the color-coded retainer to go on there. Hold our adapter in place like that. Now we're going to probably need one of these elbows because of the way this radiator is positioned. Well, that's no good. What about this one? Alright, what do we got here? Alright. Maybe it's going to have to be a combination of 2 elbows to get us in a vertical position. There we go. And we'll put our funnel in place. Alright, now we're going to fill this funnel up. They would like you to fill it up about 1/3 of the way. Now remember, engine is cold. And the drain is closed. All right, our funnel has stabilized. We're at 1/3. So now we're going to make sure that the heater is in the hot position. And we're going to start up the engine and warm it up and let the thermostat open up. And once the thermostat is opened up, the coolant should stabilize and the air should be out. It's going to take a while for that thermostat to open up, and we don't want the coolant to get low in the funnel. Now I know why they say only about 1/3 of the funnel. Because as it heated up, it came right up to the edge. So you want to keep it low in the funnel. About 1/3 of the funnel would work good. Give you room for expansion. Top hose, 198. Bottom hose, 150. So our thermostat has opened. Yeah, that top hose is hot. And of course the bottom hose isn't as hot because the coolant is going through the radiator. And as you can see, there's no bubbles coming out of the coolant. So the air should be all out of the system. Alright, it looks like the job is all done. So now we got to get the funnel off the adapters. So they give you this plug right here. And we'll go right down in there Watch out, the coolant could be hot. So that, plug that, and we should be able to just we lost a little bit out of the elbow right there, so you have to be wary of that. But you can take this coolant, put it in a recovery tank, or put it back in your container. Alright, let's put it in our recovery tank here. Oh, some people come slam me for not wearing gloves. I don't know. I'm old school. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget. So it's a good idea to, when you're doing this job, to use some rubber gloves with the antifreeze. Hey, you can't slam me for not wearing my gloves now. Alright, we're gonna lose a little coolant right here when we take this adapter, the elbow off. So it'd be a good idea to have a little container underneath there. Alright. Oh, look at that. Right up there. Beautiful. Worked like a charm. Coolant's right up there. The air's all gone. Gotta be careful. She's hot. The coolant's slippery, huh? Alright, we got a little cleaning up to do. Worked like a charm. So that's all there is to using your spill-proof funnel kit.